Hello YouTubers, today's hot topic is what is the future of mobile wallet technology. I know you are very curious to know about the innovations of mobile wallet technology in the future. So let's get started. Diving into a cashless future of transaction via digital wallet that keep consumers safe and reduce paper and waste. The future of mobile payment technology is indeed bright, as it reshapes the way consumers purchase their products and order for their services. With mobile payment technology evolving so rapidly, it can be challenging to keep up with the latest trends. So here we discuss some of the innovations that are shaping the future of consumer payments, and growth is attributed to several factors. The number one growth factor of mobile wallet technology is security. Mobile payments are secure because they are contactless. In any business environment, carrying lots of cash can pose significant security threats. However, with contactless payment options, you can use different technologies including NFC payment to complete your transaction on different mobile wallets, including Android Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay among the other highly secure wallets. More merchants in the region prefer mobile payments, or contactless payments continues to grow. This is attributed to the easy accessibility of smartphones and wearable payments devices that makes every transaction seamless. The second one is loyalty. Digital wallets help you reward clients with loyalty programs, with offers such as point of sale and special deals linked to clients' loyalty programs. Your customers can easily access them on mobile payments apps. The loyalty factor enhances the growth and the bright future for mobile payment technology. Today, many clients are more likely to use apps that allow them to access discounted offers on different products and services. The third factor is mobile point of sale high demand. The future of mobile payment technology is also fueled by high demand for mobile point of sale technology. It offers the freedom to make or receive payments without using in-store payment systems. According to the Business Insider, it is expected that up to 27.7 million devices will be used by 2021. This growth is attributed to the flexibility and convenience of mobile point-of-sale device. Today, unlike in the past when they were only used in brick-and-mortar locations. The rise of biometric authentication is the second most preferred attribute. Mobile wallets are secure mobile payment system thanks to the advanced biometric authentication process. It is the ultimate solution to long-standing issue of identity and fraud theft associated with the cash payment. As such, it is a reliable way to identify who is the owner of the account. This is additionally a trend that will boost the future of mobile payment technology. The number one factor among all is the growth of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is getting smarter by the day, thus enhancing the quality of mobile payment technology. It is a trend is also set to grow to allow more clients to adopt AI shopping on different sites such as Amazon's Alexa. The technology will also be used to ensure a top-notch edge fraud detection system and to provide quality protection against cyber attacks. Now we are going to have a look at popular mobile wallet apps. Creative freedom is a huge advantage when it comes to delivering a quality product, whatever it may be. But it helps to take a look at the industry standard. After all, you can't beat the standard without knowing the standard. Here is the list of few popular digital wallets or mobile wallet apps. Cash App is one of the most secure mobile wallet apps around. And this is because your credit and debit card information, which upon entry are converted into tokens, and thereafter only ever accessible through fingerprint. Cash App has a feature that they have named Wallet. This feature allows you to store movie tickets, boarding passes, concert tickets, coupons, and loyalty cards, much like a real wallet would. Now let's discuss Dwolla. It allows you to transfer money or to request money from any party within the US using their email address or phone number. The digital wallet features on this app also allows you to store data that is crucial in processing transactions fast, which is usually within a day. And all of this for little to no transaction fees. Dwolla even allows you to customize the app to best fit your needs with its intuitive API. Many mobile app development agencies assist to develop digital payment apps. The demand for an easy payment method will continue to grow, and it will boost the use of mobile wallets in the future. Well, this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.